Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. European Central Bank increases interest rates in the midst of the banking crisis. As a measure to combat inflation, Bitcoin recovers its value after a slump triggered by issues in U.S. banks. Bitcoin options expire this Friday. Ethereum core developers set April 12th for Shanghai hard fork. BINANCE coin BNB surges, aiming for $400. The value locked in Cardano reaches a new record. Collective lawsuit filed against YouTubers who promoted FTX. Streamer loses $1 million after shorting Bitcoin. European Central Bank increases interest rates in the midst of the banking crisis as a measure to combat inflation. In this regard, interest rates have been raised by 50 basis points, placing it at 3.5%. The measure has been taken to ensure the stability of the euro and reduce the risk of a banking crisis. However, some analysts fear that this measure could have a negative impact on the overall economy. This measure could make loans more expensive and reduce consumer spending. On the other hand, the ECB has assured that they will come to the rescue of European banks if necessary. In addition, the large U.S. banks are rescuing the third bank to fail by injecting $30 billion. All this news has affected the traditional market and pushed prices up. But we must be careful, as surely more bad news will arise. Bitcoin recovers its value after a slump triggered by issues in U.S. banks. The cryptocurrency had experienced a drop following the bank's difficulties, but it has recovered. These problems caused Bitcoin transactions to be rejected, which affected the cryptocurrency. The drop was momentary, and Bitcoin has recovered thanks to investor demand. The cryptocurrency remains highly volatile, so investors must be vigilant about any event that may affect its value. The demand for Bitcoin remains high, suggesting that the cryptocurrency is still attractive to investors. Despite the volatility, many analysts believe that Bitcoin will continue to grow in the long term. Bitcoin options expire this Friday. Bitcoin bears could face a $440 million loss in Friday's options expiry. Option contracts allow investors to buy or sell assets at a predetermined price in the future. The exercise price for the majority of put options for this Friday is $24,000, so bears would have to push the price below that level to profit. However, if the price of Bitcoin remains above $24,000, bears could face significant losses. Option expiry can lead to greater volatility in the price of Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency has been subject to strong speculation, leading to significant price volatility. Ethereum core developers set April 12th for Shanghai hard fork. The network update will include improvements in efficiency and security. The network update will also include 1559, which will change Ethereum's transaction fee structure. The changes in transaction fees aim to reduce fee volatility and improve user experience. The implementation of the hard fork is the result of a long collaboration between developers and the Ethereum community. The Shanghai hard fork will also provide a strong foundation for the transition to Ethereum 2.0. The network update is highly anticipated by the Ethereum community. The success of the hard fork will depend on the adoption and participation of network nodes. The hard fork is an essential part of Ethereum's continuous improvement process. Binance coin BNB surges, aiming for $400. The price of Binance coin BNB has reached a new all-time high of $356. BNB has increased more than 50% this year, making it one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies. The price surge is due to the growing demand for the Binance platform, which has experienced an increase in transaction volume. Binance has announced that it will burn over $600 million worth of BNB, reducing the amount of tokens in circulation and potentially boosting the price. BNB is also used to pay fees on the Binance platform, increasing its utility. Despite the price increase, investors should be aware of the volatility of cryptocurrencies and conduct thorough research before investing. The rise of BNB reflects the growth of cryptocurrency exchange platforms. The value locked in Cardano reaches a new record. Cardano's TVL total value locked has increased by 20% in the last month. The growth in Cardano's TVL is partly due to the growing interest in the network's unique mechanisms and solutions. The growth of Cardano's TVL is a signal of the increasing utility and adoption of the platform. Cardano has positioned itself as an alternative to Ethereum in terms of decentralized applications and smart contracts. The increase in Cardano's TVL reflects the growing interest in cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. Collective lawsuit filed against YouTubers who promoted FTX. A group of investors has filed a collective lawsuit against YouTubers who promoted the cryptocurrency exchange platform FTX. The lawsuit alleges that the YouTubers did not adequately disclose their financial relationship with FTX when promoting the platform. The lawsuit also alleges that the deceptive promotion of FTX resulted in the loss of money for investors. FTX has become a prominent sponsor in the world of sports and media. The YouTubers now face a multi-billion-dollar collective lawsuit for their role in promoting FTX. The lawsuit highlights the need for transparency and proper disclosure in the promotion of financial products. Streamer loses $1 million after shorting Bitcoin. Popular Korean YouTube streamer, Sato, lost over $1 million after shorting Bitcoin. The trade was made through the cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex and was affected by the rise in Bitcoin's price. Sato stated that his short trade was a mistake. Sato's story highlights the risks of trading in the cryptocurrency market without proper understanding. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and investors must take precautions to minimize risks. It is important to have a clear strategy and a solid understanding of the market before investing in cryptocurrencies. Sato's story serves as a lesson for cryptocurrency investors about the importance of financial education.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking